All those things that you do for your regular videos, do you need to do those for the shorts? What kind of shorts should you make? If you're lucky, it'll end up in the short shelf. Hi everybody, welcome back. I have been researching and reading about YouTube shorts, and I thought I would share some of the information with you that I have learned about YouTube shorts. Save you the work, save you the legwork. Maybe it'll work for you, maybe it won't. I don't know. Let's hope so, because everybody's trying to get their YouTube short to get out there, to go viral. First of all, a YouTube short is a video that is shot with your phone turned this way, vertical. You can't shoot a YouTube short in landscape mode and use your phone, turn it the right way like you're going to talk on it, and shoot your video in that format. When you're making a YouTube short, if you have the shorts feature on your phone, I believe those are 15 seconds long. The videos can only be 15 seconds long if you have the shorts feature, the shorts camera. They have that over in India, I know, in the beta form. If you're shooting it with your phone, video can only be 60 seconds or less if you're shooting it with your phone. Most of us in the United States don't have that short feature yet. So right now, if you're in the United States, 60 seconds or less for your video. When you make your shorts video, you want to put hashtag shorts in the title or description so YouTube will pick it up. You know it's a short. Now, if you're lucky, it'll end up in the short shelf. And the short shelf shows up in two different places. On your home page, or it can show up on a video page. What kind of shorts should you make? Well, you need to make them relevant to your channel, because say you make a short about fixing a motorcycle engine, all right, and that short hit the short shelf and people subscribed from watching that short video. And then the next video you post is cleaning your bathtub or cooking in your kitchen. You're going to lose that subscriber because you've lost his interest. He thought your channel was more about motorcycle repair or engine repair, and here you are cleaning your bathtub in the next video. You have to keep your shorts kind of relevant to what your channel is about. If you have TikTok and YouTube and you're posting shorts in both places, you're bringing your TikToks over from TikTok and putting them on the YouTube, or vice versa, and you have music on those videos. TikTok or YouTube can copyright your music. They can do that because TikTok, they buy music from artists in different genres to use just on their program. And if you take that TikTok music over to the YouTube music, you can get that copyright. Or vice versa. They can copyright your music over on the TikTok from the YouTube music. Did that make sense to you? I hope so. I hope that made sense to you. When you get the shorts actual program on your phone and the shorts where you can upload, am I making sense? Where you can upload your videos, they will have music with that. Here's a good question some of you might have. The SEO score, the tags, all of those things that you do for your regular videos, do you need to do those for the shorts? Yes, you do. Yes, I learned this recently, and I'm going to go back and change some of mine. I'm going to change the titles, the tags, the descriptions, because those are on your regular channel also, these short videos. You want people to come watch them from regular YouTube when they're not on the short, so yes, the answer is yes. You need to treat those like you would a regular video. And if you use TubeBuddy, like I use TubeBuddy, go through and look for a title that you think would be good. Add the tags, add a good description. You need to do that with your shorts also. So, does that mean make a thumbnail? You could put a thumbnail on your shorts, yes. I'm going to go back myself on my channel and make thumbnails for all of my shorts. I hope this helped you out a little bit with knowing a little bit about shorts. If you have any more questions, ask them in the comments below. I'll find out the answers for you. Do a little more research because I have more research on this. I probably could make another video. Leave your questions in the comments and I'll get back to you. All right, I will see you in my next video. Subscribe, like, share, do all the YouTube-y things, and I'll see you next time. Bye.